Today is October 31st. We have Rockaway green fig here. Has a nice close eye. And my baby's just hungry. Okay, ăn nha. Ăn nhum 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 nhum. Wow. Look at this. Beautiful. My baby's just so hungry. The skin is smooth. It's not tough, and the flesh is highly acidic. And it's a very nice flavor for the season. It's very flavorful compared to, I think, strawberry birthday that I tried earlier a week ago. In a sense, they're all Adriatic, but I feel like the Rockaway green is a better candidate for cool, short summer. I'm gonna make it short. We'll see you next time.